Relax, motherfucker. Real rap, I used to have dreams of that Q45, not the two-door. Hating ass niggas, this is way before I knew y'all. Bitch niggas RuPaul, 38 screw off. Lewis Park legend where a nigga learned to shoot ball. All alone, still I kept it G, they knocked my crew off. Work for you please, man, who done made you boss? Mom's plate chopping, she was missing hella dishes. Always wonder why the coffee pot up out the kitchen. Ain't no biggie, kept it semi with a story to tell. Hand in hand, they making up they bed, it's more than a sale. I'm just a call away, my nigga, I'm a Taylor, you know. We getting money, if you say it's green, you know I'ma go.
That's why they hating on me,
cause I did it on my own.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause that money stay on my mind.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining. It's my time.
Man, I had to wake up and get it myself. Get my own connect and have my own heat on my belt. So fucking handout, I knew to go get it myself. Now them same ones who was hating wanna give me help, I just tell them I'm cool. Matter of fact, I don't rap. Not for you niggas who ain't helped me get where I'm at. I'm just keeping it real, let you tell it I'm fake. Cause I be running for that money, you ain't in a race. Yeah, this ballin' is necessary, my nigga, I can't lie. You suckers be hitchhiking labels looking for rides. Let me tell you something, that's what everything aside. I had them niggas at your door about this Taylor gang or
that's why
die.
they
What's up?
hating on me,
Cause I did it on my own.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause that money stay on my mind.
that's why they hating on me,
Cause I grinded, now I'm shining. It's my timing.
Still get me, closing my eyes, pretending that you were still with me. But as the glow shines, it slows time. Illuminate when I was yours and you were mine. Find the coloration of these leaf trails, still invites the memories lost in seashells. But we tried and we failed, but we can build it all back again, baby. The ocean's looking wavy. Been thinking about you lately, been feeling about you strangely. But please don't call me crazy, I'm not trying to deny everything that you said. But now I'm thinking with my head, and now I'm hanging by a thread. True words of a wise man, to keep me honest, touch upon it that can pull a gold locket from the white sand. These new emotions, they grow strong. I've been waiting on this too long. Sonic. Inside of me, I've been waiting for too long. If you don't understand, the weight is killing me. I know the closest ones to me gon' be feeling me. They see it in my face, they hear it in my speech. What's once love's now washed on an empty beach. I leaned out for it, but had an empty grotto, I'm so sick of waiting, no longer patient.
Did you love me? Did you die for me? I need your light inside of me.
This is more than music. This is life. This is us. 13.